This tutorial will focus on searching with filters on LinkedIn. The first step is to open your LinkedIn homepage and click the search bar. Type a name in the search field and hit enter. Click on the searched person's connections. If you cannot click, this means the person has a closed network. Click all filters. Choose your filter options. You can choose level of connections, location, industry, specific company, and more. Scroll to see all options. Once you have selected your filters, click Show Results. View your filtered results. Be sure to view each profile and connect from the person's profile so that you can personalize your connection request. That's it, you're done.